Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. This is part 4 of video series on exclusive clocks. So far we have covered in depth what are exclusive clocks, what are its types, and I gave enough examples to understand this concept. In this video I am going to give you another example of exclusive clocks. In fact it is a design challenge and this was floating on the LinkedIn and I found it useful and I thought of putting it here. And now without wasting much time, let us get started and see what is a challenge. Friends, the challenge is on your screen. How will you constrain this logic in static timing analysis? So in this design, you have a multiplexer and this multiplexer has two inputs, clock A and clock B. Only exception here is clock A is directly going to flip-flop A and flip-flop A output is going to flip-flop 1. I think the design is clear to you. And now you can pause my video here. Try to think of its answer. If something comes to your mind, please write down in the comment section so that we can start a discussion there. And friends, I am keeping this question unanswered only so that you people can think of it. Otherwise, I will share its solution in the upcoming video. And with this, I am going to end this video and I hope that this would be quite informative for all of you. If you also like this video, please press the like button and you can share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and your time.